Why you keep yelling at me? Why you keep yelling at me? Stop yelling at me. Give me that. Give me that thing. Come over here. Come over here. Give me that. Oh my God. Come here. Let me see that thing. Let me see it. Oh. Y'all see this? Y'all see this? Like, subscribe, and share our YouTube videos and our channel, because Dakota says so. Dakota says so. Dakota says so. Anyways, we're here at our job today. At our job today. Oh, here he comes. Here he comes. Anyways, if you see my today, if you see her somewhere in Lapu Lapu, Mactan, you please tell her that I love her. You can tell her that for me. I love you, Mai. Bye bye, Mai. I love you. Bye bye, Mai. I love you.